To our kitty team as well, this is not the end of the road. We keep on trying. Next time. Sawa sawa. Asanteni sana.
And now, Madam Director, just before you sit down, I would like to give these students the honor of being awarded by the chief guest. So I will call the SG to come and call the teams as they presented. Then she will award number 3, 2, and of course 1.
Thank you, guest of honor. We had 16 teams. I want to mention the first 3. Otherwise, it's our procedure that we make teams. At number 16, we have IASA. At number 15, we have NITA Nairobi. At number 14, we have CMRD. At 13, we have KFC. At 12, we have KEWI. At 11, we have IASA. At 10 position is Kenya School of TVET. At 9, KISIM. At 8, KIMC. At 7, NITA Mombasa. At 6, KS TVET Moiben. That is our new kid on the block. They came for the first time, and they are number 6. Number 5 is NITA at River. Number 4, NITA Kisumu. Number 3, RTI. I am Captain RTI. Second position.
Ngoja bwana, congratulations, that's my team. And the team of the guest of honor. Yeah.
Second position is Kitty. Second position is Kitty.
Kenya Industrial Training Institute.
Captain.
Hata kujeni tu wote. Come. Ay. Mmebonda nini bana. Hata namba 2 ni nzuri. Sema mimi nimefurahi namba 3. Well done. Congratulations. DJ ukue chonjo. Aya DJ. Cheza kama wewe.
Weka tu.
Sawa, weka.
Una mix ngoma zote. Kama sauti ya hiki. Ramoya. Mr. Ramoya.